Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, sales, and reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Beachbody business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire. Absolutely no fluff, no time wasting, all facts. I'm saving the number one bonus at the very end, so stay tuned for those instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you my exact, simple, three-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboards for recruiting and to hit the leaderboards for sales in a completely different company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified leads to you in the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. And this way, you can get targeted leads to you of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at others who have the success that you want to accomplish, going to their channel, and creating updated content going after the same keywords. You're going to use the tool called TubeBuddy to do this. I'll leave that tool in the description. Go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. These tags are the keywords that you're going to rank for on Google and YouTube. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword-rich phrases, and you can go after multiple keywords in this title, but make sure your title still makes sense. You want a 300-word description, and you want to scatter your keywords throughout this description. Place your link at the top of the description so that people don't have to scroll to click your link. Create a thumbnail using canva.com and save the thumbnail as your primary keywords. Here's some quick tips. Don't reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat. Just copy the right cat. Now, you don't want to say word for word verbatim what somebody said in their video. However, you want to create similar updated content going after the same keywords and keep your content 3 to 5 minutes long. Use open broadcast system to share your screen and save the video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. You want to find out exactly where the like-minded network marketers are hanging out, and that's where you want to go. Once you find these people, you want to reach out to them with an enticing and honest first message. Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I noticed the comments that you've been making in the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, so I thought we should connect. It would be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? With a genuine first message like this, you can make 5 to 10 connections each day that will have a long-term effect on your following. As you build your following, you want to engage with people on your timeline. You can do this by posting engaging pictures, blog posts, fill in the blanks, or you can even ask a question. The two groups that I think are top groups are Robert Kiyosaki and the Tony Robbins fan page. You want to make 5 to 10 connections each day. People get to know you from your comments and the comments that you make on others' posts. But it's important to remember that you want to be making connections, and the idea is not around closing prospects. By making these 5 to 10 connections each day, you're going to be able to build your audience, engage with your audience, and then eventually sell to your audience. You want to post 90% personal and 10% about your business. The 10% that's about your business should be results of your own or the results of people on your team. The 90% personal should be pictures of yourself, your family, you at the beach hanging out, pictures of food, and random questions, those kind of things. Those are the kind of things you want to post. Because a curiosity post could lead to somebody reaching out to you about your business. This morning, I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. Someone may reach out to you and say, hey, what's that green powder all about? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Hey guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people even sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. I hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.